Hey everyone, we're going to be talking about the different type of shots that you can use all within real estate video. So let's get right into it. So the first shot that we have is the push-in shot. There's different variations of this shot. So the first one would be just pushing in straight forward into the room or the subject matter. The second variation would be pushing forward, but at the same time, just like moving to the side over it, almost as if it's like a slider shot, but it's not really a slider shot. And you can go from both angles to give it just different type of perspectives than of just always going straight on into a room or just always pushing in for every single shot. The second shot that we have is the pull-out shot. The pull-out shot kind of is almost as if you're revealing something more to the user or the viewer. And you can do this with, especially if it comes to exteriors, if you're trying to reveal more of the house or if you're trying to reveal more of the patio, just to give it a different perspective than always just pushing in and showing them. You can always pull out to like make it a little bit more dramatic. So the third shot is to use like tilting while you're using a stabilizer. This can allow for a dramatic effect. So for example, if you have the push-in shot, and you're tilting from down to up, you could start the video off like this. So you would start looking down and then you would tilt up and you would push in at the same time to reveal the house. The other tilt is going from down to up. So you could either push in on that or you can even pull out on that. So let's say at the end of the clip or at the end of the video, what you could do is you can start by looking at the property and then you pull out of the shot and you tilt up. So if you're leaving the property, this is the final shot of the video. So the last shot is drone shots. I'm not going to get a lot into it right now because I'm going to have a separate video explaining all the different type of good drone shots that you can use. But the good thing about using good shots is that it gives your viewers a whole different perspective than if it wasn't being used before. And that can make your video completely better than your competitors or just in general. It gives your video a nice look. So I hope you guys enjoy this quick video. It just gives you guys some different ideas of what shots that you could be using throughout your real estate videos. If you liked it, please give it a like. If you have any questions, comment and subscribe if you already haven't been subscribed. I also have a website that has different content or more content about real estate photography and video. It's at apertureuniversity.com. I'll leave a link below. But until then, I'll see you guys next time. Thank you.